Good morning, everybody. This is Diane Doyle in Plant-Based Dallas, and I am going to use my Instapot this morning. I needed to make some baked potatoes, but I thought, why waste all that extra space when I can cook several things at one time? So, with the handy-dandy chart, 15 minutes is our baked potatoes, and I thought, well, why don't I also cook some mixed Adzuki beans and black rice together? So, as you'll see on the bottom, I have about a half a cup of water with a small little wire rack, and I've got my russet potatoes. Those are organic because I'm going to eat the skin. And then I have put a container of rinsed Adzuki or cowpeas and black rice mixed in there. I rinsed them first, and then I've got ample water. And I'm sure I have way too much water, but that's okay. I'll just drain and rinse once they've been cooked. So I'm gonna put the top on and make sure that it's sealed. And I'm gonna do manual, and we're gonna go 15 minutes. Whoops, 15 minutes. And then we'll wait for the 3 beeps, and that will tell us that the Instapot has started. Okay, and so now it will build up to pressure, and once it's built up to pressure, this on will change to 15 and start the countdown. So if y'all need any of these magnets, you can find these at plantbaseddallas.com and get yourself a set. Not too early to start thinking about Christmas presents as well, while shipping is fast right now. Okay, y'all have a wonderful day, and use your Instapot. Be efficient with it and cook 2 or 3 or 4 things at one time. Mix them together. It works out wonderful. Just eat the plants, my friends. Eat the plants. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go. Our double-decker Instapot is done, and we're going to open it up and see where we're at. Okay, there's the beans and the rice. They definitely look done. Let me grab a spoon from over here, a slotted spoon, so we can check and see. Now remember, I told you I put plenty of water in here. And yep, that looks like that got cooked really well. So I will drain and rinse these beans. And then our potatoes down here on the bottom. Let me feel those with it. Yep, they're soft. Broke into the skin, so it works. Y'all try your double-decker Instapot. Try cooking 2 or 3 things at the same time, and saves you a lot of time. Remember, you can go to Plant-Based Dallas to order the magnets, or text me, and you can do a porch pickup if you're here in Dallas to save on shipping. Y'all have a great day, and keep eating all those plants. Bye-bye.